Cheers, thank you. Cheers, thank you. 3 left plus. Well, you can see there, then it's 130, 5 right to 6 right, 100 turn in and right. How long? Coming up 20 seconds. 20 now. 15. Go on, boom. Yep. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 60, 3 left plus. 130, 5 right, opens into 6 right long. 100 turn, tight hairpin right. 60. 6 left long, continues, 100 turn hairpin left over bump. 200. Flat crest mid long, 60 down, 5 left plus long, 30, 6 right opens over flat crest, 100. 6 right plus, 200, 6 left in the dip, into flat crest bump mid, 40 down, 5 left, don't cut, 150, 5 left long, slippy into 6 right, slowing over crest, into 6 left, slowing, immediate 2 right long, immediate 2 right long, 40, 3 left slippy, 3 left slippy, 30, 6 left tightens into 5 left, into flat crest mid, 200, 6 right plus, 170, caution, 6 right long slowing over crest, 20 slowing down, 2 right, slowing 20 down, 2 right, opens, continues for 100, 170, to chicane, and it's a left entry for right left. It's a bit hidden here, Goon. Up there. 80, 6 right long, 300 up mid, 5 right in okay over junction, caution. It's in the dust here, Goon, 5 right in, okay. Into middle of a crest bump, 300, 5 left, continues, tightens to 1, slippy, tightens to 1. It'll keep coming and then it comes into a 1 there out by the logs. 30, 6 left long, max over crest, 60, 6 left, 350, small crest mid, 60 down slowing, 5 left long slowing, 40, open hairpin right long.
What's this?
Slowing now, 60 down after the crest slowing, 5 left long slowing, 40, open hairpin right over the bridge. Then 60, care, nothing daft. 2 right long tightens in over crest, watch it. 30, 3 left plus, 80, left into past junction, into 6 right, 80, 6 right plus, 150, 6 left plus, 100, mid slowing small crest, slow before it, immediate turn acute left. Into 4 right, 60, 6 left plus long, 30, 6 right plus over flat crest, stay neat, 150, caution, slow before 6 left, immediate 1 left, don't cut, slow before 6, immediate 1, and then 4 right, don't cut. 150 up mid, 1 left, 4 right. 100, 6 left plus over flat crest, 200 up mid, 5 left tightens, 5 left tightens here, 200 up mid. 5 right plus in, stay neat. Stay neat on this 5 right. 100. 5 left slowing, 5 right half long slowing, medium 1 left tight. 40. 2 left tight. 30. 5 left 20. 3 right long slowing. It's a hairpin left. 60. 6 left plus 100, 6 left plus over flat crest 150, 6 right continues for 250, and 100, 6 right continues tightens here, 6 right into 5 right slowing tightens, turn hairpin right. Turn hairpin right here. Coming up, there's the advance, it's coming up. There. 200 over loose. Turn at the top. Hairpin left over bump. 20. 3 right opens into 6 right. Continues for 200, slippy. Then 230 over new stones. And it's flat crest into 6 left, into 6 after the crest, 6 left, 300 through dip, 5 left continues, tightens into 4, 5 left continues, tightens here, into 4, tightens to 4, into 3 right tight, to 3 right tight goon, coming up here. 60 down, slowing, 1 left tight, rough, 40, 5 left slowing, 20, turn hairpin right, 200, caution, 1 right tightens in over crest, deceptive, here, 1 right tightens in, deceptive, 40, keeps coming, good lad, 5 right, 40, 4 left, 100, 4 right tightens in over crest, watch, 4 right tightens in over crest, watch here, 4 right tightens in, 130 up mid, 2 left, 40, 6 right, 40, 4 left, 40 past junction caution right, into crest, into 6 left, 350, 4 right, don't cut at the end, 4 right, don't cut, 60 bumpy, 6 right tightens into 5, down care, 3 left, through the dip, tightens, 40 turn, 1 left, square right, into 2 left, 40, 6 left max long, 40, 6 right plus, 170, 6 left long, 40, 6 right plus, 130, 3 left half long, 3 left half long, into 4 right, 4 right, 60, 3 left long over finish, and it's 170 after. Well done, Goon. Well done. That should be alright.
I think so.